Hello guys, welcome to SLA tutorials. In this video, we will see how to write a program to find the given number is positive or negative. How do we find normally? If the number is greater than 0 is positive. If the number is less than 0 is negative. Here 0 is neither positive nor negative number. By using these conditions, we will write the program. Here I will take variable name as n is equal to int of input. In double quotes I will write enter number colon space enter. If n greater than 0 colon I will print n comma in double quotes is positive. Enter backspace else colon. If the number is less than 0, I will print n comma in double quotes is negative. Save the file and run the code. It asks us to enter number. I will enter 5. We got the output as 5 is positive. Again I will run the same code. Now I will enter minus 10. Then the output is minus 10 is negative. Like this, we can write the program to find the number is positive or negative. If you like the video, please click on like button and do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.